a seal carcass, a prize worth braving the surf for. Giant petrels are the vultures of Antarctica and are always the first to the spoils. The word is out and the hordes move in. Like feathered dinosaurs, they lock beaks in battle. These butchers provide a service for some unlikely meat-eaters. With the carcasses now opened, pintail ducks arrive for a meal. There's plenty of good food here, and none of South Georgia's inhabitants can afford to be fussy with winter looming. After the feast, it's time for a rinse and spin.